Unless you have a dedicated gym space in your home, then you are going to think long and hard about buying any form of exercise equipment. Even those lucky enough to have a dedicated room to work out in are going to want to optimize their space as fully as possible, so any equipment that folds down and is easy to store is going to appeal. Folding exercise bikes are a great idea, but are they really all they're cracked up to be? When it comes to finding the perfect folding exercise bike, the options can be overwhelming. From different features to varying prices, it can be difficult to know where to start. To assist in your search, I have done extensive research, gone through numerous reviews, and compiled a list of the best folding exercise bikes from reputable brands. After my deep research, I have found these products to be most beneficial for individuals like yourself. For more information on pricing and other details, be sure to check out my video description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Xspec Indoor Foldable Exercise Bike. Weighing in at just 33 pounds, this Xspec folding exercise bike is an ideal stationary bike for anyone who knows they'll be moving their bike around a lot. It's pretty lightweight, so most people should be able to simply pick it up, but it also has transport wheels that work fairly well. It might be a bit of a pain to roll around on thick carpet, but I had no problems wheeling it around my space. Because it only weighs a hair over 30 pounds, I wasn't shocked when I started a workout on this bike and felt shaky. It's not a deal-breaking amount of shakiness, but it's definitely noticeable compared to the Marcy foldable bike, which is my pick for the best overall folding exercise bike. The Xspec folding bike has a wide, comfortable, adjustable seat and adjustable pedals. The handlebars have palm-based pulse sensors, but I honestly would recommend wearing a fitness tracker instead. I don't think heart rate monitors built into cardio equipment are generally very accurate. The LCD screen is small, but it shows your heart rate, calories burned, time, and distance. Number 4. Exerpeutic ExerWorK folding exercise bike. We're sure you've seen at least one coworker getting a cardio workout and while at an all-hands Zoom meeting, and if you want to get in on the trend, we recommend the Exerpeutic ExerWorK 1000. Not only does this folding exercise bike come with a quiet belt drive and magnetic resistance, but it has a built-in desk that can be adjusted for people of various heights. It comes with 8 levels of resistance, so it won't be the most intense workout, but you'll burn more calories with it than you would sitting still. Plus, it's a recumbent style bike, so it takes all the stress off your joints. And because it's a folding exercise bike, it won't take up much room in your home, office, or gym. The seat is comfortable, the desk is pretty sturdy, and it comes with an LCD screen to track all your metrics. We read some reviews that said shorter people had a difficult time finding a position that felt natural to them while using the desk, so this might be best for people on the taller end of the spectrum. Number 3. Leikefitness Ultra Quiet Folding Exercise Bike. This is one of the best adjustable folding bikes simply because it can accommodate tall people and shorter folks while still maintaining features you can't go without, like a comfortable seat and a wide seat with a backrest. The handlebars and pedals are also adjustable. It has a stand that fits most laptops and has 12 levels of magnetic resistance, beating out the average 8. It can be used as both a recumbent and upright bike, so you can customize your ride each day. While this bike doesn't have a true tablet holder, it does have a lip where the LCD monitor is, and you can place your device there. This bike is low on tech capabilities, but so are the rest. Number 2. IRONMAN Exerpeutic 400XL Folding Recumbent Bike. Like the rest of the best exercise bikes on this list, the IRONMAN Exerpeutic 400XL folding recumbent bike uses a magnetic resistance system. It has a large seat and the seat cushion is comfortable. Recumbent exercise bikes are great for older adults because the positioning takes pressure off of the joints and supports the lower back. However, this bike would work for all fitness levels. Even if you're an advanced exerciser and don't plan on using this type of bike for your main workouts, you can still get a great workout. This recumbent bike in particular has a performance monitor that shows pulse, time, distance, calories, and pace. The seat and pedals are adjustable, and there are rear handlebars to accommodate different preferences for hand placement. I'd recommend having someone help you with assembly, as some of the components are heavy and hard to hold in place while you try to screw in a bolt. This one took me a while to assemble, but I was overall pleased with the build afterward. It feels sturdier than a lot of folding bikes and, thanks to the lower seat position, is easier to get in and out of. Number 1. Marcy Foldable Upright Exercise Bike. This foldable exercise bike is the one that changed my perception of foldable bikes. I like the Marcy foldable exercise bike because it's heavier and sturdier than any of the others I've tried, and the steel tubing is thicker. It's actually made of 14-gauge steel, so it's objectively stronger than most foldable exercise bikes, which tend to be made of 16 or 18-gauge steel. Thanks to its sturdy construction, this Marcy folding bike feels stable during use. I didn't experience any feelings of instability, even while pedaling hard. This bike would be a good choice for beginners to start cardio workouts because of its stronger steel frame. I wouldn't exactly call it heavy duty, but most people will probably be able to get a more intense workout on the Marcy bike than others, thanks to its stability. It also has an LCD screen larger than most, but it only displays 3 basic stats: time, distance, and calories. The Marcy foldable bike doesn't have any special tech features, but then again, neither do most folding exercise bikes. That's all. I make helpful videos daily, so make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you need additional information or have questions about pricing, be sure to check out the video description. For any kind of issues, please leave a comment below. Stay informed with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.